Hey guys and gals out there on YouTube, got a little project going on tonight. Got some T-Max, E-Max stainless steel screws, and also these. This is Traxxas slash. Got here is a little project here. Go ahead and pull the body shot off. The ESC is still messed up on this guy, and there's a few parts broken, and we're going to give it a quick run through and see what we got here. And we got some new springs here. These are the nice ones I like. The aluminum body, aluminum lid, coated. And replace this rear bumper. These drive lines are still looking pretty good. These got the aluminum here. Need aluminum on the front to finish this guy up this build. Yeah, here's our new project working on tonight. Check my video when it goes up on YouTube. Yeah, you can tell I've been doing some weird repairs here. I'm going to upgrade this to aluminum eventually, and the front here. Right now the ESC is dead on this thing. And of course, see there's a few other issues back here. Those springs and, oops, there it goes. And these are the old trenchers. And this is my little fast guy here. Put these screws in. Just work tonight. And go ahead and tighten this new stainless steel screw in. Get this adjustable link in here. And let's get it snugged in there. Get the wheel back on. Get my spring in. Shock in. Got the GTR shocks installed. Got some weight on them. Did run into a slight problem over here. This screw here is sheared off inside my aluminum here. I'm going to maybe drill it out. And maybe I'll just replace it. I'm not sure. Either way, I don't have that part on me, so there we are. The ESC is bad. Motor's seen better days, but repowering and track time for this girl's coming up pretty soon. Anyways, here's my little screws and all my stuff in here. Stainless screws, if you guys are wondering, a little bit fragile. I don't know. I like stainless because they don't rust. I mean, I got the aluminum upgrade in here. You see it? And this looks like a factory servo. It is, but it's a rebuilt with metal instead of the plastic. Anyways, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. You like videos about RCs and other things, just go ahead and subscribe up, man. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and ideas for other videos. All right, till next time. All right, new GTRs are in. Still got a broken issue here, but I'm going to get those parts in. Dead ESC, and got to clean this mess up here. But pretty cool. Aluminum heavy-duty upgrade here, and got metal gears inside of the basic Traxxas servo. All right, replace rear bumper. Looking good. Love these trenchers.